Imagine hiccups that lasted for decades. Charles Osborne, an Iowa man, hiccuped for 68 years. His hiccups began after a fall while attempting to weigh a hog. He sometimes hiccuped dozens of times each minute. Doctors could not stop the relentless spasms for years. He holds the record for the longest hiccuping streak in history. He married and raised a family while hiccuping. Scientists still marvel at his stubborn condition today. 68 years of non-stop hiccups seems unimaginable. If this surprises you, share this strange truth.